Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word buoyancy. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The life jacket increased his buoyancy in the water, allowing him to float easily. Buoyancy is the ability of an object to float or rise in a fluid, such as water, due to the upward force exerted by the fluid on the object. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.